Hey there everybody, welcome back. On today's video, you're going to be driving this four-wheeler. I'm going to set up the camera on the ground using a tripod, and I'm going to record the four-wheeler jumping over these jumps. So without further ado, let's get going. Also, as I drive there, I'm going to record like this with the camera facing me. Safety first, or actually kind of second, because I'm going to start the four-wheeler first and then I'm going to put on my helmet. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here. That entire time I forgot I can zoom out the camera like this. Is that better? This is where I'll be putting it first. Here we go for the second point of view. Next point of view, right here. This is the third one. By the way, I'll be able to drive up this way and do jumps, but this way I can't, because the way this one is shaped, it kind of sets you up so you wreck your four-wheeler, so yeah, sorry, I can't do that. Third point of view complete. Now for the fourth and final point of view. Here we go. All right, we did it. And as always, not sure why I always do that. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll be making a lot more videos soon, so stay tuned. Or check out my other videos. I think it's trying to mess with me. Oh, it's staring at me. I think it's about to kill me. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.